Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Today, we have a pressing topic to discuss: pollution. So, let's dive right in. Introduction. Environment is the surroundings in which an organism lives. The air, water, food, land, and even all the living organisms around us are a part of our environment. Our environment looks beautiful with the natural beauty of plants and other things. Natural environment, as shown in the figure, also leaves a good impact on our health and mind. A good and healthy environment leaves a good and healthy impact on us, while an unhealthy and polluted environment makes us feel bad and stressed. Pollution and its types. When harmful substances enter into the natural environment and cause damage to it, is called pollution. So, pollution is the introduction of harmful substances into the environment. These harmful substances may be waste materials, dust, smoke and chemicals, etc., are called pollutants. Types of pollution. There are different types of pollution: air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, radiation pollution, air pollution. The addition of harmful substances such as dust particles and smoke in the air makes tea dirty. This is called air pollution. Causes of air pollution. The smoke which causes air pollution comes from bum fuels in the engines of automobiles and in industries. Burning of fossil fuels. Burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other harmful gases into the air that actually cause our pollution. Smog. These gases react with the pollutants present in the air and smog is formed. Smog is a type of intense air pollution. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, are also a major cause of air pollution. These gases are released mainly from air conditioning systems and refrigerators. Water pollution. Water pollution means the addition of harmful materials into water, which make it dirty and unfit for use. Causes of water pollution. Water becomes polluted due to the addition of sewage water, industrial wastes, and garbage into rivers, canals, streams, and oceans. The germs, harmful materials, and chemicals present in sewage water and industrial wastes are the major causes that make water unclean and dirty. Land pollution. The deposition of harmful and waste materials on land is called land pollution. Causes of land pollution. It is caused where we do not use bins and throw garbage at open places. This garbage includes cans, plastic bag bottles, industrial wastes, domestic and kitchen wastes, and other solid wastes. Chemicals used to kill harmful pests and fertilizers used for better growth of crops also cause land pollution. It has appeared that polluted environment is a global issue and world community would bear worst results more as they already faced, as effective response to pollution is largely based on human appraisal of the problem and pollution control program evolves as a nationwide fixed cost sharing effort relying upon voluntary participation. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Let's be the change we wish to see in the world.